Ito pong kantang 'to ay alay namin sa ating Amang Diyos at sa ating Panginoong Hesus, na sa kabila ng pagkukulang natin sa Kanya, ay binibigyan pa rin niya tayo ng kasapatan sa lahat.
Amen.
Tayo ay masyado pa rin mareklamo. Hindi natin nakikita yung blessing na natatamo natin, yung buhay. Masyado po tayo nafo-focus sa kamatayan. Ito pong awit na ito ay naway makatulong po sa ating lahat, sa ating puso't isip na mag-meditate po ng kanyang word na galing po sa Biblia.
Amen.
Amen po.
We pray for blessings, we pray for peace, comfort for our family, protection while we sleep.
We pray for healing, prosperity. We pray for mighty hand to ease our suffering. And all the while you hear each broken need. Yet love us way too much to give us lesser things. 'Cause what if your blessings come through raindrops? What if your healing comes through tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near? What if trials of this life are your mercies in disguise? We pray for wisdom, your voice to hear. We cry in anger when we cannot feel you near. Without your goodness, without your love, as if every promise from word is not enough.
And all the while you hear each desperate plea. As long as we have faith to believe. 'Cause what if your blessings come through raindrops? What if your healing comes through tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near? What if trials of this life are your mercies in disguise? When friends betray us, when darkness seems to win, we know the pain reminds us heart. This is not our home. It's not our home. So what if your blessings come through raindrops? What if your healing comes through tears? What if 1,000 sleepless nights are what it takes to know you're near? What if my greatest disappointment or the aching of this life is the revealing of God's greater thirst? This world can be satisfied. What if trials of this life to
in the storms, the hardest nights,
Your mercies in disguise.
Panginoon, kayo lamang po ang aming masasandalan sa mga oras na ito. In Jesus' name, Amen.